Going from the west coast of the United States to the Central Plains. Check this out. This strange phenomena is still continuing. Eerie flashing lights. What is going on? Vanetta Inn, January 5th of 2025 out of Mason City, Iowa? What? That's the original video at original speed. She's obviously at a fast food place. There's a gas station next door. But for some reason, here I put it in slow motion, this is getting seriously strange. Look at all the lights blinking randomly. What is happening? This is probably the 10th video from the 10th different location that I've gotten of this mysterious phenomenon that is going on across the country and quite possibly in other places around the world that I'm not aware of. But from what I understand, and in my own personal experience, this is something altogether new. I mean, since when do we have parking lot lights, street lights, and now building lights just flashing and pulsating randomly as if they're malfunctioning for unknown reasons? What in the world is going on? I mean, people really are mystified. People are getting freaked out by this. I mean, this is not stopping. This has been going on now for the better part of a month. And